Have you recently found yourself in the middle of water flooding, ruining some of the most valuable pieces of your home, and you don't know what to do? Well, now is the time to act, before the water damage sets in permanently and ruins your most beloved possessions, such as your furniture, carpets, wall paints, and finishings. Our 24/7 experts will convert your home or business back to its former glory in no time, using the latest in water removal technology. Our system will remove water 2 to 3 times faster than most other local businesses. Call 833-403-5366 right now to find out if insurance will cover your repair, and we'll have your home back to its former shining self.